You know, it was only a couple years ago that I learned Circle K was a real place. I'd always thought they'd fabricated it for the movie.
Strange things are afoot at the Circle K.
You know, like, oh, I don't know, the Daily Planet, S-Mart, Utah. But no, it's a real place. It does exist.
A few minutes later.
Seems like so long ago that I won that free ticket to the Ren Faire. Hard to believe it was just August. Waited and waited for the day to come that I'd planned on going. Had to cancel my own plans. The cat is doing so much better though. And the Renaissance Fair was still going on the next weekend. And as you know, I made it back up to St. Louis then. It's not that weekend anymore. We're in Hot Springs at a completely different Renaissance Fair. I'm Kat, by the way, and this is Inferior Adventure Channel. Why don't you join me? The sky's a little bit leaky today, and I have no idea where my umbrella went. So I might just look like a drowned rat by the end of the video. There's that to look forward to. Arkansas, by the way. We're in Arkansas. I said what town, forgot to say what state. And there it is. There's Kelly. She works at this place every year and has been trying to get me to come for how long?
1 to 6 years.
Something like that. Uh-oh. And that was it. Hope you guys had a good time. Just kidding, of course. It's getting a little bit breezier, starting to rain a bit harder, so I'm headed back to the car to get my jacket. There we go, a hoodie and a jacket. It's actually a little bit too warm for both of these, but maybe it'll prevent the soakage. My camera is so wet right now. It seems like this kind of weather always happens the weekend after Halloween. Usually it's about 40 degrees colder by now though, so I'm taking it. I don't even know how much footage I'm actually getting. My camera keeps turning on and off because of the rain by itself. A bunch of 3D printed stuff over here. The eggs actually have dragons in them. That's cool. And I love that rainbow effect. My favorite booth right here. This is Jade. Hi, Jade. You're so cute. Poor little puppy's getting rained on. Oh, this is bigger than I thought. It goes all the way back there. I thought it was just that one little row. Some other little booths down there. People going that way. There must be something going on. And they're also having a rum tasting back that way. However, since I have a 4-hour drive home, I will not be participating in that today. I think the rain's finally starting to let up a bit. And I found some dragon egg purses. They're handmade from leather. And of course, some ocarinas. Couldn't be a Ren Faire without having some of those somewhere. I found pigs. And camels. They have camel rides over there. Yarn making. That is so cool to watch. Gigantic bellows. You know, I'd always wondered how you pumped one that big. Also very cool. I think it's called a double hung barrow, and that fire is about 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, you guys. And that big one there is a cross between the sword and an axe, and he calls it the Nightmare. Also got some really cool masks back there. I heard that 3 years ago, an actual tornado came through this place. It didn't actually touch down, but went right overhead. It sounded pretty scary to me.
Ladies and gentlemen, lords and ladies of the realm, landed gentry of all genders. My name is Marisha. This is my Circus Danger show. Are you guys here for a Circus Danger show? Okay, good. I'm on the right stage. That's excellent. Now, some of you recognize this object. Others of you are heterosexual. All of you are very welcome here, and that is the important part. Are you ready? Okay, a little bit premature, you guys, but that's okay. We've all been there. Are you ready to see a circus show? Are you ready to watch me risk life and live? Are you ready to contribute to my GoFundMe when it all goes wrong? Alright, kid, you're not much help. You don't have any money. Yeah, but I appreciate the enthusiasm. And as I get lower with this stunt, you guys get louder, okay? I am talking like yelling, screaming, crying, like throw your drink into the air. No, actually don't do that, don't do that. Those are very expensive to make. Throw your child into the air. Those are free to make after all, but not here. It gets better. We're gonna move right along to the feats of strength. Do you people want to see a feat of strength? Say yeah! We are going to follow it with the feats of danger. Do you want to see a feat of danger? Say yeah! Fantastic! Now I know where the feet people are in the crowd. One-handed. For my next stunt, I will be getting down from here. I am going to throw all 3 blades heedlessly through the air, risking my life and safety. Do you people want to see that? What is wrong with you? 1, 2. Like so. But I can see some of you were unimpressed. I assume you can't see that well. It's alright, I'll come to you. I'll come to you until you start. I'm gonna take one knife, slice it directly through the center of this pattern, place it right back in, watch closely. Like so. Quickly before they notice, hand me that.
That was a fantastic show. Here's her info if you guys want to follow her.
Oh, when they step out. Back to back, boys. There you go. 4 corners, boys. Perfect. That should cause some chaos. Crowd, are you ready? Yeah. All right. This is the hottest action going today. Fighters, are you ready? All righty. Here we go. Fighters, start fight.
Oh, fun. I seem to have found the Fae area. Cosmetics, free cosplay repair. I love it.
I'm not telling you how much is it because I'm not letting you buy it for me.
There we go, you guys. I knew we'd have some somewhere at this fair. Is that a bat? I found a bat. And dragons.
It's right there.
And game controllers. How freaking cute is that?
It's $130.
That is Euphorite, you guys. Look at that. It glows under light. Oh, that is the most amazing thing I've seen all day. Couldn't resist. I got the bat. Not really filming all that much at the vendor booths. Used up most of my storage capacity filming that show a while ago. Starting to rain again, so I'm heading back inside. Looks like the food truck section. Well, there we go. Where was that one I needed a while ago? They've got some fancy ones. I wouldn't even want to use one of those in the rain. Well, I appear to have found the torture device section. And more rocks. I gotta stop looking at these things. Dragon masks. I approve. Man, all sorts of stuff here. Oh, I like her wings. Hey, they have a town jail here. That's a cool idea. Tiaras with actual stones. I have a tent full of royalty over there. And blueberry lemonade. I found a gypsy camp. That's a cute booth. Man, this place just keeps going. I found the pirate tent.
Would you like a seashell?
Sure. Can I get a video of you?
Of course.
Love your outfit. Perfect weather for a mermaid. And one more pirate for you guys. I love your dragons.
Thank you.
And also one more Kelly.
Bye, thanks for coming.
And with that, the rain is really starting to come down by now, so this drowned rat is on her way home. Thank you guys for coming along with me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.
Do you people want to see that? What is wrong with you?